In this exercise, we will apply a datum adjustment factor to the geometry within the fundamentals reference DGN, which should match the datum adjustment applied to the survey file. This is necessary before exporting to a KMZ or KML file so that the model will align correctly in Google Earth. We will export the file to a KMZ and view in Google Earth in the next exercise. Go ahead and open the Home tab and then open the Level Display and turn off all levels in the active file other than Design-Centerline-Proposed. Then close the Level Display. Make sure that the Element Selection tool is active and then select both alignments by drawing a rectangle around them. We need to switch the workflow in the upper left corner from Drawing to Open Roads Modeling. Then open the Transform Elements tool, which is located under the Geometry tab within the Common Tools in the ribbon. You should get a warning if applying any transformation for the first time within a given file. Click Yes and notice the Transform Elements dialog box opens. For this exercise, we will assume a datum adjustment factor of 1.0006. The important thing to remember is that the scale is not 1.0006, but rather the inverse. Make sure only the scale icon is toggled on at the top, and deselect the options if necessary. Also, make sure the scale option here is set to scale, and then key in a scale of 1 divided by 1.0006. We will round to 5 decimal places for this exercise, so that equates to 0.99994. Then hit Enter. Also, set the About option to 0 origin, which scales relative to the 0, coordinate. The other options will result in misaligned geometry. Next, notice the prompt in the lower left corner, Accept Transform. Before accepting the scaling transformation, you will see a preview of the transformed alignments in red. Left-click only once to accept the scaling. It will look as if nothing happened, so remember only to click once. Go ahead and close the Transform Elements dialog box. Hit Escape to clear the tool, and then left-click to deselect. Even though the other levels within the active file were turned off, such as corridor elements, everything was scaled because of the linkage to the alignment. Open the Home tab once again, and then the Level Display, and turn on all other levels within the active file other than Design-Centerline-Proposed Text-Small. Close the Level Display and review the updates, noticing that all line work transformed correctly.